RBI DSIM का सोल्यूशन लेके आ रहे हैं बहुत जल्दी, पूरा मेमोरी बेस्ड कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो है. सो दिस इज़ एंड वी विल बी सॉल्विंग. इंस्टीट्यूट के वेबसाइट में तो वैसे 2016 तक ही दिया हुआ है, उसके बाद 8 साल तक बहुत सारे कुछ चेंजेस आए हैं. लेकिन फिर भी वो पेपर भी उतने आसान नहीं थे, तो मैंने सोचा उसको भी सॉल्व कर दूंगा. सो वी हैव अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द थिंग. सो आप भी एग्जाम से पहले नाउ यू कैन गेट टू नो वेयर यू आर एक्चुअली गोइंग फॉर इट. DSIM papers, standards, they've dealt with a lot of different kind of parts. There are 3 segments of the question paper, and all these segments are relatively important. I've checked on before solving the full papers and the sample and mock papers and the memory based papers. I was thinking that there are only 3-4 videos are there. So, and that is also not that elaborately given. So I've decided to give you a full structurization. Those who are preparing for also ISS, for them also it will be beneficial. For stat optional in the IFS or in UPSC IAS entrance examination, they will also be benefited. So an overall advanced level approach I have kept it for this one, so that you become the hotshot candidate for the SOURAV slot. You have many questions, and you can just take a snapshot and send it to me, because this is the kind of level where I have been doing it for the last 12 years. So hopefully I will be making you crack within a single go. This is a crash course I'm starting, so you are fully free to just ask, and the scholarship, free classes, everything is there. Just text message me, I will give you a voice message answer to you directly.